Confused about what to do? What AI job to get into in 2024? Then this video is on for you. Hi, this is Akansha Mishra from Madrid Software, and today in this video, we are going to discuss about the top 3 AI jobs that can be evolving in 2024. So let's start this video without wasting any time. Number 1. Machine Learning Engineer. Now what is a machine learning engineer? It is a professional which deals with designing, implementing and maintaining the machine learning algorithms and systems. Their main roles and responsibilities include: Number 1. Data preparation. Now this process involves pre-processing, transforming and manipulating the data to make it market ready. The next step is model development, in which the infrastructure or the base of the model is being ready, and then it is being transferred into other systems to make it a brand new model. The next step is deployment, which means integrating the machine learning algorithms into the professional systems, and at last monitoring it and updating it according to the advancements in AI. The second job is of an AI research scientist. This is one of the most demanded jobs in the field of AI. Now what does this include? An AI research scientist is a professional who is responsible for the advancements in the fields of AI by conducting different research and experiments. Their main roles and responsibilities include: Number 1. Research, which means first of all finding a topic and then doing a deep research on it so that we can find all the facts and informations relating to it. Then the next step is experiments, which means conducting different experiments on different AI models to evaluate the level of AI. The last and one of the most important roles of an AI research scientist is to create the research papers and present it to the conference so that they can be contributed to an academic community as well. Now the third and the most important job in the field of AI is of an AI ethicist. Now who is an AI ethicist? It is a professional who is responsible in the fields of ethical implications of AI and to evaluate the dangers and the risks related to artificial intelligence. Their main roles and responsibilities include to understand the societal impact of artificial intelligence and to make sure that it is used in an acceptable and a moral manner. They work in various capacities, including policy making and advocacy, and to keep in mind the most important thing, that is the privacy of the customer. Therefore, at last we can say that an AI ethicist is a person who is overall responsible for the ethical considerations related to field of AI. You guys will be shocked that the entry-level package of these jobs are starting from 12 NP. So go, invest your time into something that is going to be the future of tomorrow. That is AI. That's all for the day. Have a good time ahead. Till then, keep learning.